Papaya is a nutrient-rich tropical fruit that offers several health benefits. Here are 5 proven health benefits of papaya. 1. Rich in nutrients and antioxidants. Papaya is packed with vitamins, especially vitamin C and A, along with folate and fiber. The antioxidants in papaya, including beta-carotene and lycopene, help combat oxidative stress, reducing the risk of chronic diseases. 2. Aids digestion. Papaya contains a digestive enzyme called papain, which helps break down proteins and improves digestion. Its high fiber and water content also promote healthy bowel movements and prevent constipation. 3. Boosts immune system. Thanks to its high vitamin C content, papaya supports the immune system by enhancing the production of white blood cells, which are essential for fighting infections. 4. Supports heart health. The antioxidants and fiber in papaya help reduce cholesterol levels, protecting against heart disease. Lycopene, in particular, is linked to reducing inflammation and improving overall heart health. 5. Promotes skin health. Papaya can help improve skin appearance due to its rich content of vitamin C and antioxidants. These nutrients support collagen production, reduce wrinkles, and improve skin elasticity, promoting a youthful appearance. Incorporating papaya into your diet can provide a range of benefits for overall health.